Guys, so tired. Look where I was coming from. Look down there. I'm almost finished. And look where I'm going. Up there. So bad. And now I'm needing some assistance here. Oh.
I'm up my way.
Oh. No, I'm being assisted. I'm being assisted, gentlemen. Look. 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 Look, guys. So bad. If you have never come, don't come. Don't come.
Don't try.
You guys.
Don't try at all.
Guys.
Don't try at
Look.
all.
I'm being shifted like this. Look where I'm coming from. Look now. Look. You see, my friend is also tired. He's already down. Yeah?
And he has decided to sit down.
You see? It's tough, my brothers, sisters. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Oh. We are going now. Oh. Oh. It's so tough, guys. THOMSON falls. Getting to the falls downwards is easy. But coming up is really
Not
tough.
take work at all.
No.
Don't try.
Look at that hill. The hill there. Look. Look. I really finished, guys. Tell me. Look. Oh. Oh. Guys, I'm sweating. I'm really dying. I'll never come again. Even the one pushing me is tired. 1 kilometer. I only 1 kilometer.
Don't try coming up. Coming down, my
Look,
friend.
guys. What can I say? If I finish, I'll let you know. If I don't post, then know that I did not finish.
Very hard.
Right? Yes. Thank you.